Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how I create a character specifically for rigging in ToonSquid, including how I use the path tool for the limbs and the important things you need to consider before adding bones. Start by drawing a rough sketch of your character. If you're new to animation, the first rule is keep your character simple and avoid unnecessary details. The goal isn't to create the most detailed character possible. The goal is to create a character that is easy to control and easy to animate. Next, draw the line art over the rough sketch and add your colors. Make sure to separate the body parts that need to move independently, such as the head, body, arms, hands, and legs. The lower part of the body where the legs connect will act as the central part of the character. It connects the legs to the upper body. The upper body will then connect to the head and arms. For the arms and legs, I'll be using the path tool. This keeps the path clean and makes them easier to rig. I recommend using only 3 control points for each limb. Next, add the stroke effect to the path layer. Since the stroke effect is applied to the entire limb, you may need to make a few adjustments on the drawing layers so that the limb doesn't look mechanical. Now draw the hand and add it to the arm using a separate drawing layer. Duplicate the arm to create the second arm and adjust the layer order and overlap. This arm should sit behind the torso. Now create a leg layer below the lower part of the body. Using the same path tool and stroke effect, create the leg. Add the shoe. And then duplicate it to create a second leg. Make any necessary adjustment to the layer position and overlaps. And now the character is ready. It's time to add the bones. First, create a group containing all the character layers and add the bone effect to the group. As I mentioned earlier, the lower part of the body acts as the central part of the character. So I'll add the first bone here and use it to connect the upper body and the legs. From there, the structure becomes simple. The lower body connects to the upper body connects to the head and the arms. Once the bone structure is ready, bind each bone to its corresponding animation layer. After binding is complete, you can test the movement of each body part. If everything is moving correctly, extend the group layer and start adding keyframes based on the movement you want. You can also add audio and lip sync, and your character will be ready to become part of your animation video. If you learned something new today, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you know someone who is learning character rigging, share this tutorial with them and help them out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.